You're right.
Okay.
So Ansible might be useful if we ever run into problems while giving Ansible commands. So you might want to run it individually, independent of the job. So that's why you might need Ansible. But it's fine. You can just SSH into Circle CI's machine and get your Ansible tasks done there.
Okay. So what should I start with right now?
Let's see how you can clone your project.
So I think, so I'll start recording now. I think I have other folks, Uzoma, Paul, Femi, and Yusuf and Hype, right? So I believe, so guys, please, let's make it interactive. Let's make it, it won't be as if it's only Omon that would, need this. And we're doing it for, the general house. So that's why a lot of folks that are, done with the project, that's why we are all together. And if you have an idea, if you have a faster way, a better way to go around a particular challenge, that's why we are all here, right? I believe everybody didn't use the same computer, didn't use the same system, no, not the same operating system, but we just want to get results, right? So also we need to be conscious of time. Let's try and work as fast as possible, right? So I believe we can start.
Okay, so shall I share my screen?
Yeah.
Please let me know when you can see my screen. Hello, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay. So this is the first part of the project. But Victor, I said we should start from 3.
Okay, I believe everybody would, understand the selling CI/CD aspect, right? Where you have to design a PDF, a 5-page PDF file. So in order not to waste time, I think we should start from 3.
Okay, so ensure to have this tools installed in your local machine. Okay, I have Git.
You have Git already.
Git bash.
Are you trying to download Git again?
No, this one.
You already have Git.
Yes.
So you can just skip that step or confirm that you have Git by running Git version.
Okay. From
no,
here.
you don't have to do that again. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. Just go to your command line, probably your VS Code.
Shall I open a new one?
You can open a new one.
New text file.
No, not a new text file. Maybe a new window. Okay. Where would you want to? Which folder would you want? Let's see. Open your folder. Open folder. So, would you like to keep it in your desktop? Let's just choose desktop to be. Yeah. Let's select folder.
Okay.
Okay, so did you try to run the Git version to see if you truly have Git. Okay, so here you can just terminal to the top. Yeah. No, just scroll to your right. To your right, where you have terminal. No, same section, please. Sorry.
Oh,
We have
okay.
file
Yes, okay.
Click on a new terminal. No. Okay. Do whatever it is you want to do. Sorry. Just whatever it is you want to do.
Bash.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you can just run git version to confirm.
What am I running?
Git
The version.
Yeah. No. You need 2 dashes in front of it. Okay, so that means you have Git installed. So you want to clone the files for this project into your desktop folder. So go back to your classroom. Then let's see if we can copy. If you can go to the repository on GitHub. Okay, we have to fork the code, the starter code. So click on the starter code. Yeah. Click on the green code, the green button, code. Copy the link on the clone. Yeah. Go back to your command.
Excuse me, is she not supposed to fork it first?
Go back. Let's go back to the instruction. Let's see if there's need to fork.
Yes, she's supposed to fork then clone.
Yeah, so you can have it.
Okay,
Oh, she's supposed to fork. Yes.
Yeah,
So you can have
okay.
a copy of it, so you can work. Okay. Okay.
That's all right.
Yes, that's all. So you can repeat that.
What did you say, sir?
Now you can copy that URL. Sorry, you can just click on the code, then copy the link to clone. Yeah. So you go back to your
This.
Visual Studio. Yeah. Not that time.
Let's close.
So git clone.
Git clone.
Yeah. Then paste the copied link. Enter.
So what's next? Hello, Yusuf, are you there?
Yeah, so what's the next thing you need to do? Just go back to the project requirements.
Okay.
Yeah, then look at the directory. So look at the project. All this is talking about the project structure. So you have Circle CI, you have Ansible for files, you have the backend, the front end, and the utils as well. So you need to check out the contents of the Circle CI directory. Look at the config, CloudFront, the YAML. So that's where you go. So all of this is just explaining like what is in those folders. So first off, you have the normal cloud formation. CloudFront, the YAML. That's to deploy the to instruct this thing to manually create the Slack. Then you have the backend YAML, the front end YAML as well to create the backend infrastructure. That's the instance. And the front end one is to deploy the stuff into the S3 bucket and also provision it into CloudFront. Then you have Ansible. You have the playbooks and the roles. Yeah, so all of this is just explain the folder structure. So you can pretty much go over to, just scroll down and go over to deploying and trustworthy. Yeah.
Next, okay. So I already set up my Circle CI account.
Yeah, you have an account ready.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's fine then. So just go over to, I think the next thing is just go over to,
What?
okay, I think the guy is back now, so you can take over.
Okay.
No, please continue.
So where did you say I should go to? I mean,
Yeah, you already have the Circle CI account, so you just scroll down. All of this is just explaining, yeah, you have your account and just telling you what you need to do. So you just scroll down, pretty much scroll down. I think the important part is the fifth part, which is our configuration management. So just scroll down. All of this is explaining everything that you need to scroll down. Yeah, so here, so you can see if you read the goal of the project, no, scroll up, start from number 1. No, scroll up. So that's where it starts, yeah? Yeah, it starts from the number 1.
build phase.
From the number 1. Yeah, build phase. So you can see it tells you.
Come on. You're supposed to set up a project in Circle CI. That's the first thing you're supposed to do.
Yeah, I thought you said she had that already. So go and
no,
start.
I just
no, she hasn't linked.
Just the account.
She hasn't linked it.
I think I linked it to GitHub or that. I'm not sure.
Okay, so let's check that. Click on go to application first. The green button. Go to application.
Okay, I think this was where I stopped.
Okay, so select organization, click on your name. Click
Yeah,
on,
so
And this is
yeah,
this,
yeah,
right?
yes, yes.
yeah.
So you need a
Listen.
Circle CI.
It's there already. So this
Is it there?
Master is the master branch.
yeah, it's the master branch. It's there already.
Okay.
Is
Master,
it
just
the
no. Just type in master. From which branch? Type
okay,
in-
master? All right.
So set up the project.
Okay. There's a problem with us.
There's an error.
Yeah. So there are two ways to actually go about this. You can go to your VS Code trying to
You
fix
need to
this.
merge it.
Huh?
Go
Pardon?
on.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay. Or you can either edit the configuration file here, then see if you can do the same in your what do you call it, in your VS Code. So click on edit configuration first. Let's see if this would actually give some
You know,
suggestions.
when she edits this, she has to do a git pull as well.
Yes. So what I will advise is that this
Just
has
go and do it locally.
this has it will give some feedback on what is wrong, and instead of our trying to figure it out. So once you make the correction here, you can as well make the same corrections over there without having to do a git pull. But I don't see anything bad if you have to do a git pull. So what do you advise? That we fix it here, or we go try to?
I think you should start from scratch because when you check the instructions before you get to the first number, the advice
you make a
I
copy.
don't know how to put it. Yeah, you make a
Yes,
copy
exactly.
of the whole thing and start from like
Yeah,
scratch.
exactly.
Exactly. So she has to
Go to VS Code.
Where?
VS Code. Go back
Go
to
to your
Code.
VS Code and do a copy of the config.yaml file.
So here now you have two options: either to change your folder in your VS Code Explorer, but if you do that, you would have to cd into that same directory, and you have problems with your terminal each time. So I advise that you use the terminal again. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
just go to
just go to file.
Okay.
So, sorry,
A new one. Are you saying we should do a new one?
No, file.
No, just
try to use
Ali,
VS
can
Code.
you chill for a second?
Hello?
Yeah,
you should just CD into that directory.
folder. Exactly.
Yeah, the problem I have with
then-
CD into directory is each time you want to create a new one, your left-hand side, your window pane is usually going to be very dirty. And each time you open a new terminal, you are going to be at the first at the first folder you started, and you might be entering your commands without even noticing that.
You're not going to be there. No.
So that's why I advise that probably you open folder, you try open folder again. Yeah, open folder.
Okay.
So select this folder this time. So you can, open your terminal now.
We need to do git vision.
No, you don't have to do that. You already know you have the Git installed.
Okay.
So you're supposed to create, go to Circle CI folder, the .Circle CI folder. On your left, just click down the arrow. Then the config.yaml file. Click on that. You can right click, then copy, then paste. Copy. Then while you're still there, you can still click on paste, right click and paste.
While I'm still where? Where
Yeah,
am I
you can still
pasting
click on that
this?
same config.yaml file.
Okay.
Then right click, then paste. Oh,
No,
calm
not
down. On
paste.
top of
Just
click on the circle CI. Sorry, click on the circle CI.
Okay.
just
Okay. Paste.
Then paste. Okay.
I'm sure someone has a better way to do that.
So wait, does this paste inside the config.yaml file, or is just doing a new one entirely?
Inside the circle CI.
Okay, just okay. I can see the new one. All right.
That was a crude way of doing that anyway.
Okay.
So what he's saying is basically you're going to clear everything from config.yaml, then you refer from this particular one that you copied. So you'll be pasting it.
Okay, copying
Little by
from
little.
config
Yeah.
You copy
into
from config copy into
Okay.
config. You do it little by little.
okay.
You just delete everything in config.yaml.
Sorry, I would suggest she just comment it because
Exactly.
Okay.
I had
So
a
wait,
little problem with
hold on. So
presentation.
So that's one thing I wanted guys to know. Like the thing about the issues guys were having is you need to properly pay attention to what exactly the instructions are in the requirements for the projects. No, in the requirements step by step. So it first tells you to do or to copy the YAML file. So the reason why you're copying it is if you have any issues, you can always go back to the original one and bring it back. So just leave the file as it is, then follow it step by step. So now you're at the build phase. You can just comment out the stuff that hasn't yet run. Yeah, you go and comment out stuff, then go step by step and follow everything. So you can see it's just a suggestion. Make a copy for reference so you can always start afresh. So you don't have issues. A lot of guys are having issues like running back and forth and all of that. So yeah. So you can start the project now.
Okay. So what am I commenting out now?
I would advise you start from the commands. You comment destroy. You can just take your cursor to destroy environment. Yeah. Starting from the D, yeah. You can hold your shift button, then the down arrow key.
Why is she commenting the copy? Because it's going to use config.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
Okay.
Just highlight it and press Control /.
Yeah. So you're down key arrow. Just highlight everything. Destroy environment. You want to comment destroy environment. You want to comment reverse migrations till we need them.
Destroy environment, reverse migrations. Okay.
Is there a way to take over your screen? Like
Okay.
You'd want to you want to take over our screen, right?
Yeah.
Team viewer will actually let you do it. Team viewer. Who's
okay, wait, Zoom doesn't allow that.
I don't think so.
I think Zoom should have that functionality.
It
But
does.
then, hold on.
Okay.
Teams allows that, so take over the screen so you don't take, because it's a long project. I mean, Halley, you can just take over it and then just, yeah. So it doesn't take too much time, a long time. Because if it's going to take hours, that's going to jam a lot of people, so yeah. So is that possible? Like, Teams has it, I don't know about this one. So.
I once tried Teams, but I don't know. It didn't turn out well. I'm not an expert in using Teams anyway, so.
But the control should work now.
Yeah, all you have to do is use the control is shift. Just press shift. Shift, then you want okay.
No, I want to give him control for my screen.
Okay.
So Victor was trying to check, right?
Okay, so is this something we can do?
Yeah, it works on, you can give someone control on Zoom, but then I don't know if that is something that was enabled or disabled for this particular meeting. You might want to check the security features, whether it's called remote support. No, it's the host that will see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Control / doesn't work.
I don't. I don't.
Can't you highlight everything? Just do Control /
Yeah.
So the functionality is not enabled here.
We'll have to blame Udacity. Maybe this is Udacity's Zoom. What's the word now? Zoom account, right?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it is.
Is
Yeah.
it?
Udacity.zoom.us. It's just like Udacity Zoom account. Maybe.
So highlight all of this. The whole
Yeah,
distress.
just highlight it and do Control /
And if you can't highlight it, just let's start commenting line by line. If that's
No,
what-
no.
I know that's
no.
I know that's
Highlight
scary. I know.
everything.
Shift
I know
down,
that's
shift,
scary.
hold shift and keep going down. Shift, keyboard,
Yeah, I
keyboard.
said that already. I said that earlier.
Shift and what?
And the
The
arrow
down.
down arrow key.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, down arrow key.
Okay. You want me to
Hold
copy
it.
the whole
Fine,
thing?
fine. Keep going. Keep going.
God bless you.
Oh, no. Go up. Go up.
Where
At the end
should
of
I
that
stop?
F5, yeah, there. Just stop there.
Okay.
Then you press your control, then the / control /. Yeah, fine. What you want. So leave that. Good. Scroll down. Calm down. Hold on.
Okay.
Let's see what we have rushing over.
Mm.
So I think the first step is to try the build front end and back end, right? So maybe you can just start commenting from test front end.
You should comment from test.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should start from commenting test.
Go down again.
Yeah.
The arrow key.
Yeah, fine.
I think you already.
Keep going down until you get to workflows.
All right.
Yeah.
The funniest thing is, do you know is it possible that we comment just the jobs out and CI doesn't work on the remaining?
CI will not validate it. That's the problem.
Oh, so you've tried
Just keep going.
Yes, keep going. Just press and down. Let it be running. Let it run. Let it run. God bless you. There's no time in this life.
No.
Okay, you have gone too far.
Go up. That's the problem with rushing. Yeah, go up. On top of that default.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
On top of default.
You're fine like this. It's
No. Yeah, it's fine there. Sorry, I couldn't see beyond my nose, so that's why I said that. It's okay here.
Right.
Okay, so we can then press control / control /.
Sorry, I pressed something else.
That's why I
Can't we
said
just
press /. Yes,
Fine.
you're good.
the jobs under workflow
What?
instead of? Can't we just comment out the jobs under workflow instead
Someone
of
said
doing all this?
No, if you do that, Circle CI will not validate. No, there's a lot of hash. If you look at the YAML itself is not even validated. So it won't.
Okay.
So you also need to comment out all the
workflow.
jobs that are not build. All the jobs are not build jobs. So from line 271 all the way down, you need to comment that out too.
Yeah.
All the way down. So that now you are sure that you need
In front of this.
In front of that,
test?
yes. In front of that. No. In front of that of that. Of that.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. VS
Are you
Code.
sure?
Doesn't matter. VS Code knows.
To the end.
Yes.
Yeah, to the end. Okay. Control / control /. Yeah, fine. So.
All right.
So.
Are we saving?
Yeah, Control S.
All right, I'll save.
So we have to push this to Git. First, we have to add it to our staging directory. Go to the terminal now.
Okay.
So git add, then a period dot. No, space in between git and add. Between that add and the dot. Yeah. Enter. So we are telling Git, okay, it's okay, just the int. Okay, then Git commit, not commit crime, Git commit. Space -m for the commit message, -m. space, then open, this quotation mark, what do you call it, sir? Double quotes.
Is it the single one?
Yeah, no, any would fine, any would be okay. Yeah, so what do we call this? What do we call our commit? What do we change? Commented, okay, commented.
First commit.
Yeah, first commit.
First commit.
And but you have to say what it is. First commit. First commit. Yeah, first commit. Just say.
So what's the purpose of this?
The purpose of this is, okay. Git allows you to keep versions of your code, and you need a commit message to know what you did at any point in time, more like taking different pictures of your code at different points in time. So if you just write first commit or something that is not explanatory, by the time you're looking at your change log or what has happened, you will not know what you did at that time without entering into that change, into that commit.
What's an appropriate name now?
Okay, say commented commented all jobs. No, first commit is fine now. I don't throw the person's suggestion away. I think it's a very good suggestion. I would have gone with it too. First commit, then fine, leave it. Enter.
Tell me. Just tell me where.
First commit, then put a space. It's supposed to do. No, put a space. You can. It's a sentence.
You want to write everything, Abby?
Well, first commit, then just say commented on used jobs. Commented on used jobs. Commented on used jobs.
Unused.
Now, it no go affect your code, though.
I know now, but
no, I'm talking to Omo. Omo that wants to write everything.
Okay, on used jobs.
Understand.
Okay. And enter. Oh, fine. So now that we have a commit and everything is fine locally, let's push git push origin. So we are pushing this change that we have in our local repository to that your forked repository. Okay. Origin. 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 Enter. So
what's happening?
This is the first time I'm using Git on your computer, so you'd have to, even if it's not the first, Git has that annoying thing. You have to sign in with your browser, sign into Git.
Okay. That's gonna check where you opened, right?
Yes, your browser.
That will be a problem.
No, it's the one on the right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I would suggest that if you can add SSH keys to your computers, because imagine that you have to do this every time you want to do a push. You will suffer some more.
Okay, so authentication succeeded. You don't have to do anything. You're logged in already. Just go back to your terminal. It's done. Okay. So just use your old login credentials. So you now have a push to your origin. So you can go to Circle CI now. It should have started the job.
Where?
Circle CI. Back to your browser.
Check the browser. Go to the website.
That push was successful. So that would have triggered a Circle CI action. Yeah.
Wow.
So many.
Your system is terminal.
No. Circle CI, please. Okay.
Yes.
Why do you have so
many times?
Like it's not something to be proud of. See, you know what? First thing,
I'm not proud of it. Trust me.
Close everything. I'm not even. No, we are not going forward until you close everything. Open a fresh browser. Why would you have 200 tabs? Jesus.
Okay, so if I close it now.
Everything I've done. Maybe as time goes on, we can clean up the ones we are not using.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So
don't mind my militancy approach. What is this, guys? What is this?
But seriously, I used to think I was a don in opening tabs. I've seen my master.
No, there is no to me. I don't know. If I have more than 15 tabs open, I've overdone it.
Go to application. Click on go to application. So we'll just retain the ones we need, so we don't get lost each time we want to.
Okay.
If your system is good, actually, you can actually open many tabs.
Yeah, that's true. But you get lost the way we are lost here now.
My
So-
brain
I'll
is
probably close it. I'll probably close it.
Nothing
Don't
is failing,
worry.
no.
Everything is
my
failing.
brain is-
No. It's just one that. Oh yeah, click on the field. Click on that.
There are two.
Yeah, that dark.
2 minutes
that deep
one.
red field. Yeah, that deep
This
red.
one, right?
Yeah. Click on that. So everything that can fail has failed. Click on build
Mhm.
front. No,
Build
not
front.
there, not there.
Okay,
Build
this one,
front
build
end.
front.
Yeah. Just click on it. It's taking us somewhere. Okay, scroll down. Oh, we
Exit
deliberately
one.
made it fail because we deliberately made it exit one. So we have something to do here. We have a code to write here. So we expect that after the end of the code, it won't exit one again and it should pass. So can we go back to the instructions in our classroom to see what we're expected to do? Build front end.
Build phase. Oh, okay, build front end.
So no, we are there. No, don't go down. Just go back. Oh, yes, it's okay here.
But I won't cancel this again. Okay.
Hello?
Actually, I don't know.
Hello, I'm here.
Okay, so
Something
we
else
have to
here.
find a job name build
my
front end, and okay, in the CircleCI config.yaml. So we are going to select an image that will carry out the job we want to run now. And because we are running npm commands, it would be nice to have an image that already has Node installed, because if it doesn't have Node installed, we have to install it ourselves. So we can just lift this CircleCI / node 13.80, yeah. So we can just copy that and see where it fits into our code, in our config.yaml file. So your
I'm taking it to CircleCI. I'm taking it
no,
to
to VS Code, to VS Code,
Yes.
to VS Code. So you can just scroll to pick the left pane, then scroll to the top. No, not that. Sorry, the one in the middle. Maybe we'll leave the other one as reference, or should we close it?
Wait, this one,
Yeah,
we should close this
Yeah, the
one.
same thing. Should we?
I think
Yeah.
you can close.
Yeah, you can close it.
Okay, we can close it then. Just click on no, you don't have to scroll all the way down. If you want to close it, just click on that 3 dots. Those 3 dots by the there. Close all the way to the top. Let's go all the way to the
So
top.
I should go to the top, okay.
Yeah, all the way. So we have a version, our commands. We can scroll down. There's nothing to do here yet. Scroll
Okay.
down. We can, fine. Oh, so they already gave us the image to use. That's
It's
pretty nice.
here.
Yes.
Okay.
Checkout is to pull our code from GitHub repository. That's what the command is for. Then restore cache is actually to get our old files, I believe. Then from front end build. Then build front end. We have to write your code here where you have that exit one. So House, should we retain our comments or we just clear it once we are done?
Clear.
Clear it up. Okay, so let's remove that exit one. Clear up exit one. So at first we're intending to copy that image CircleCI / node. So that has been done for us. So let's go back and copy the remaining commands. npm install, npm build.
Should I copy it like that?
Yes. Okay.
Where am I pasting?
Yeah, exactly where you have your cursor, just paste. Just copy everything, npm install all the way down to build. Just highlight everything, then you can press your tab button. Although I know YAML has something with tabs, but this should work.
You can do shift control
tab. Okay,
control brackets. That one that looks like square bracket. The right one. Control square bracket. You should take everything. You take it to the right.
Okay, try
anywhere your mouse is. Yeah, control. You know where the square bracket is? Yeah, keep going.
Keep going till CD front end, right?
Under CD.
Yeah, to CD front end. Yeah.
Do the same thing for the other one. You don't even need to be at the beginning if you're using control that, but yeah.
Okay.
So you can comment out your code here, or do you want to leave it for reference?
I guess. Yes.
For reference. So what else? So we don't hello. So we don't
Here.
go, so we don't go back and forth. Is there any other thing we have to do? Let's risk it and try backend. So what
Let
this
me
code
save.
does, it checks out steps, it checks out, takes our code from GitHub, then see the front end, goes into that code, inside the project folder, goes into front end, then runs npm install there, then runs npm run build there. Then if everything is fine, it will not exit anything. Or probably exit 0, sorry. The code automatically exits something. So from there, we'll
If
know
I
who
may
to-
ask,
Okay.
yeah, if I may ask, what's npm install, npm run build for the sake
Okay.
of the video?
Okay, npm install gets all the dependencies, all the other people's code that the code needs to function well. Then npm build, I think npm build actually builds your the whole code for you to have a distribution folder that's necessary for the code to run. Am I wrong? No developers. I'm not a no developer. Did I do justice to it, or anybody has a better explanation to it?
I'm not sure I heard that, sir. Are you trying to explain what the node module does?
Yeah, the npm run build. I explained npm install. That gets your other people's code and everything, and puts add us to your code.
Yeah.
Other people's code. Yeah. Then npm run builds it and creates a distribution folder.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. That minimizes your code, makes it lighter because of the production. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I did justice to it.
Yes, you did, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I think we are done with front end.
Okay.
So let's go back to go to backend, build backend, so we can move faster since they're on the same level. So we already have them in the workflow. We didn't comment them out, so we can just leave this part of the screen. So build backend. What's the instruction for building backend? Let's see. Or are you of the opinion that okay? No. I think we've gone back past.
So you've gone past it. Just go back a little.
Okay, backend. So we have to select the Docker image that's compatible with Node.js and compile the backend. I think it's the same instruction, only that in this case we are going to the directory backend and we are using the same node, same node image. Am I right?
Yeah, it's the same thing. We're just saving one.
Well, different folder, and that's
all. That's all.
Okay, so let's go back to our config.yaml file in our VS Code. No, we are here already. We are here. We are there already. So
build backend.
Build backend. So the Docker image. Okay, we have the Docker image there already. So where we have your code here, exits 1, you can just replace the whole thing. You can go back and copy cd front end, npm install, npm run build. Then we'll now modify.
I think I have it already.
Okay, still have it. Okay, paste it.
Control V.
Okay. So
the line is.
What's the person that said this thing? I won't forget.
Then how do you correct that? I think you have to undo, right?
Right. Undo.
But, you have an indentation problem, you will not notice.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Okay.
I know. Like I want to go back.
Yeah. Just click the delete. Delete.
You need to click backspace.
No. Okay. Backspace.
I tried that too.
Let me tell you what I mean. If you look at line 64 to 67, there's an extra space after a line. Do you see what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we are working on.
Yes. So now you can use that.
So
try.
Yes. That's the indentation you should be at. So just fix the two that are up.
Oh, fix. Okay. No. Okay. So go to CD front end. I think it's CD front end that has the extra.
Yes.
Okay. CD front end.
Yeah, that has the extra. Yeah.
Okay.
So run npm. Okay, npm run build. Okay.
So front end to back end.
Yeah. Now we want to work on the back end. So change that CD front end to CD back end.
It's line 64 too. Line 64 still has a space. Sorry, some of us, our eyes are too troublesome. Yeah.
It's very
that
good. Okay.
Oh, please, you are the one who was complaining about the plenty tabs, right?
Yes.
Fine, now I understand. But it's good. It's really helping you in this line of work. But for people who are comfortable having things here and there, it's not going to be easy coding anyway. But for you, everything has to be meticulous, so you get it right easily.
I think I've done that.
I think that's all for this stage. Right? I think we all agree. So let's go back and push these changes to not yet. It's not automatic. So we try git add or git add. Then
Have you seen?
Okay, enter. So git commit, not crying it again. I'll say git
upper keys.
Okay, upper keys now to save time, right? Upper arrow keys.
Yeah.
So you're repeating the same command. She's okay. Yeah, press your upper arrow keys. Yeah, fine. Changes on to remove every all the way down to first commit. Then just say front end and back end jobs. Front end and back end jobs. My friend with the indentation problem, I'm sure. Do you create good messages for your commits, or you just rough it? Anyway?
No, I'm way too lazy to leave out the -m. I still use -m. Don't worry. I understand your question. You know, if you leave out -m, it opens a new page for you to start.
No, I can't do that. I can't.
For you to start to type all kinds of stuff. No.
Okay, enter now. So
production, I start doing that.
Okay, enter. It didn't go right.
It's stuck. Yeah.
It's stuck. Really? What went wrong? Okay, if it's stuck, let's try to see if we can open a new terminal instead of waiting.
But how does your terminal freeze? Does your terminal freeze normally?
No, this is like the first time.
If you get stuck, hit Ctrl+C.
Okay, to stop whatever
is in the brain.
Okay.
Something happened. Said.
All right.
What was it working on? I made it that difficult. Okay, try again. Git commit is not supposed to be.
No, there is no.
The G wasn't there. There's no G.
Oops.
No. You have to use the back. Just use the back arrow. No.
I have to start again.
No. Take press your up arrow key. Then up arrow key once till you get to that command that you want to edit. Yeah. So the back arrow key. Just keep pressing that all the way to the. Oh, I think this is okay.
This one has G.
This one has G before. I don't know what happened.
What happened?
Let me just.
Village people.
Did you tell people you were going to have a meeting this time?
Don't tell them.
Or your village people follow you on Twitter?
Who forbid? I'm covered. What God cannot do does there exist?
So oh, fine. So now that we fixed the repository locally, so let's push it to git push origin.
Enter.
So let's go back and check CircleCI now. Now we have to start rolling up and down. Okay, so just click on dashboard. Click on dashboard from here.
Where is dashboard?
By your left.
Okay.
I hope
Failing.
Wonderful. Click on it. Let's see what is failing.
Still building.
Build backend. Why is build backend?
Running.
Click on build backend. Let's see. Scroll all the way down. Down. Oh, it's expected to fail. So I think at this point you take a screenshot.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
because of the.
Yeah.
This is the first screenshot.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
the first screenshot. But the good thing about this project is even if you fail to take the screenshot now, you can go back to the jobs and take them later.
No, it's better I start taking them.
Yeah.
Everybody knows what we are taking. Okay, I'll probably
Okay, so
use snipping. Let me
Why are you saving your screenshots in a document? You want
Where
to
do you want
print
to
it out.
save it? Where do you want
You
to
want to
save it?
print it out.
Where do you want to save it?
You can save it as a
Apex.
folder, as a chip,
As a what?
as a
Apex.
PNG or JPEG.
JPEG.
Into a folder.
JPEG, yeah,
Are
JPEG.
we not going to submit it?
Yeah, going to
Yeah,
submit. Yeah, but you need, you are submitting
doing well.
JPEGs.
You are
Send the
doing
instruction.
well.
Instruction wants you to.
Well, that one is later. That one is later for the purpose of this right now.
I
Okay.
like your spirit. I like your
Let's
spirit. You
hurry
are
up.
doing well. You are doing well.
Yeah, you are doing
What
well.
is this now? Do you want to?
You want to change? Okay. So once we've done this now, please let's put our eyes to the line that needs attention. Line 31. They even gave a very wonderful comment that they deliberately add to our problems that we should fix it.
The X. Okay, this is one of the.
Yeah. So this is the cause of the whole problem. So if you remove it, it should pass. So let's go back to
VS Code.
yeah. So let's go back. No, why? Okay, fine. One at a time. One at a time. We want to fix that now. So do you know what file that is?
No, I thought you wanted me to come here. Why should I?
No problem. I was hoping you could check the other job but let's do it one at a time. Let's do it one at a time. It's fine. So this code now, go back to the instruction in classroom, the classroom. They actually gave the exact line that's failing, even though we can figure that out ourselves here. But they've given us a way out. Cool way out. Scroll down. So that's screenshot one that we need. So the backend, was that backend that failed? Yeah, backend. So fix intentional error in backend backend /source/main.ts file that caused the compilation error. So we know we are going to backend, the source folder, the main.ts file, and we are going to line 32. So we can go back to our VS Code. Backend source main.ts.
On your left.
On your left, where you have your folders, where you can access your folder, not in that. Okay, fine. Yeah. No. No. Okay, now we are looking for backend. We are looking for backend. Go back to where you were before. On your left, where you have your directory, CI, Ansible files, configure YAML. Then look for backend. Just scroll down, backend. Yeah, fine. Click on it. Source, SRC. Click on it. Click on it. Yeah. Then main.ts. Click on it. Boom. So line 31.
Okay.
See the thing that's causing the problem.
So I just delete X.
Delete it. Fine.
Then save.
So yeah, save. So do we push this alone or we check if the other job is going to fail before pushing? Or maybe we push these two together. Let's check the
test. Let's do the test.
Oh, the test, right?
Yes, let's do other ones so that at least we check everything together. Because if you are doing one by one, it will take time.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, true.
I agree. So test backend, right?
So okay, I should go back to.
But hold on. Okay. Okay.
This and go to config file.
Config, yeah, you config the YAML file. So we are sure that this will pass the next time we try it. So no need running it now.
So you want us to go to, yeah?
close this main.ts file. You are done with it so that you don't go. You can
No,
close
no,
it
no. On top of your current window. Not there. Not
beside
there.
it.
Not there. Not there. Not there.
Left,
Okay.
right.
On your right. On your right.
Okay. On top of your window, on top of your current window, not there. Don't worry. Go to the top pane where you have config.yaml main.ts. Just take your cursor there. Take your cursor there. You don't have to scroll down there.
So, Omar,
I'm confused.
look at it like a browser tab. Mhm. The first
Mhm.
tab is your config.yaml. The second one is your main.ts. Not there.
Oh, okay. I'm not seeing it because of the screen.
Sharing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, hold on. To remove this thing.
So below that key where you have help, you have the first file, config.yaml. The second one, t.main main.ts.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah, I've done it. I just dragged it because this thing is not going. I don't know why it's not going. Okay. So what's the next
back
thing?
The test, we are moving on to test now. So just scroll down.
Test front end.
So yeah, test front end and test back end. You have to highlight them. Just highlight them from top to bottom.
You say?
Yeah,
Exactly. When I say that, I laughed. I remember that phrase from top to bottom. So control / we won't comment it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Save.
Yeah, control S if you want to.
Okay.
You're writing on your screen, is that you?
What?
I was
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
I
Maybe
was trying to highlight the main stuff when she was.
that's cool. That's cool. Then maybe you can easily. Can she see it when you are
I'm not seeing. What was it
Oh, it's
doing?
just for us. Oh, he was trying to point out some things. I'm sure you won't be able to see, but we can see it.
Okay.
Where you need to go to at any point in time. Okay,
So your job code.
Test front end and I wish sure that those two jobs are fine now. Okay, no problem. Let's be optimistic. We need a Docker image to test the front end and a Docker image to test the back end. So let's go back to the instruction. In classrooms.
To classroom.
Yeah, then let's check if our food is done in CircleCI stylishly.
So
let's close some of these things. Now that we are here, let's be stylishly closing some of this. So you can press back.
Fine. Let me close this one. Close this one.
Let me show you how to close fast. Right click on the tab. Sorry, this is where my ministry is. Look at the second to the last one. Close multiple tabs.
No, I'm not closing all my tabs yet now.
Wait now, just do what I'm saying first. Close multiple tabs. I'm not closing everything. The second to the last one. Then
tabs to the left.
Right,
we might need something there or to the right. We might need something.
You need it to call it back. There's something called Control H for history.
No, wait now, please. Let's just finish this one first.
But at least now you know what to do.
I knew that one before now.
Now people like Omo go buy food. They go refuse to throw away the container. Say refuse now for another.
God bless you. You sabi.
As in, I mean, close this thing. If you need that, you go open up again.
I think Femi left the chat, right?
Yeah. He has been leaving and joining.
Okay.
So what are we doing now?
Okay, so no, we try to fix this, but we are sure that it will work. We are hoping that it will work, and I'm sure it will work. So let's go back. Go back to click on master on top here. Master. No, not down.
This
one. Yeah. So we want to see the brother of this job, if that one passed or failed, so that we can fix that one as well. Don't worry, go back, click on field. That deep red thing that looks like Lagos traffic.
There are two now.
No, the latest one. Click on that one.
Okay.
You always want to deal with latest things. Oh, it passed. Thank God. So we fixed the problem we had with build backend. So we are trying to work on test front end and test back end now. So let's go back to our classrooms and see what is happening there. The instructions for that. Left with a many, I'm sure we just want us to copy everything and dump. Sharp guy.
But no time.
No time, I understand.
I should copy this now.
Yeah, copy that. For front end. So we go to test front end now. Where you have your, whoa, now it's getting scarier. Where you have your check out your code from Git, restore from cache, your job code here. You know what? We have a lot of things to do here, but you've copied something. Let's say keep what you've copied under this place. Just press enter where your cursor is, then paste whatever it is you copied. Let's just let's drop what you've lifted. Just leave it there, let it be resting. So our Docker image, if you look at the instructions there, they are NPM instructions, meaning that we need a node, a computer or a virtual machine that has Node installed already. So let's go and copy the ones that we used before. There's no time to check time. Just scroll down. Oh, sorry, scroll up, sorry.
I won't have used the arrow key there. So, okay, sorry, we're not in the terminal.
This is someone's specialty. I'm not going to mention it. No, it's okay. You don't have to go up any further.
I should take this one.
Yeah, just take, yeah, exactly.
Up to this.
Yes. Watch out for indentation. So come to Docker image here, paste it there.
Under it.
Okay. Ozzy's, okay.
What's this leaving?
The morale is dropping.
Why now? Why is the morale dropping?
When people start leaving one after the other. Docker image here. Okay, you can leave that one. Then you have to check out your code from Git. So you go to the last job, build backend. There's something called checkout. It's a command. So just copy that checkout. No.
Okay,
Don't scroll. To the top of your screen now, you have something called checkout.
Okay.
Yeah, copy that.
This checkout.
Yeah, copy that. With the, yeah, exactly.
So what's this one for?
Okay, this one is for checking out your code from Git, downloading your code from Git.
Okay.
So you have to restore from cache. I think it's just best you just copy the whole restore from cache thing up there. You can copy restore from cache, then that run name, command, and everything. I think we would be able to use that. Then save cache too. Just copy everything on that step. So
line 59 to line 70. Just
yeah,
take
that would
line
have been
59
faster.
to 70.
Very soon I'll drop the range for a minute. I think you'll be very fast at it. Yeah.
No, I won't be able to talk. I'll just collect your mouse and start typing.
Hey, no, it's not because we can't share the.
You have not seen a lazier person in this world. Just copy the thing and.
But that gets work done faster. It gets it done faster.
Okay.
No, let me tell you the one that gets it done fastest. I'll just send you my GitHub repository. If you can understand,
this is for everybody. And I wonder, this thing is going to be recorded, seriously. These are teacher. Okay. Control C. Then, yeah, then put everything under checkout here. Under that checkout, yes.
Under checkout or under
but if you, okay, it's fine then. But if you want to retain the comments, put under your job code here. Put under your job code here if you are going to retain the comments. Yeah, your job code here.
Delete line 993 to line 95 because you've already exactly because it's already
okay, it's already part of the code. All right.
Yes.
But this is front end, so you have to change that CD backend to front end, or else copy and paste issues. Just delete this one first. Delete what you've highlighted. Yeah, fine.
This one I was trying to front end.
Yes, exactly. Then all the backend you have there, just change it to. Then restore keys. Change that backend view to. Okay, are you done with that? So from your restore cache, the keys, change it to backend and test front end.
Wait, I don't know. Are you talking about this place?
Line 82.
Line 82.
82.
Both 82 and 90.
Okay. Front end.
82 and 4.
I changed to front end, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
change the front end, test front end, not front end view.
Test front
What are the-
end.
Yeah, or front end test. Whatever it is you do, we have front end test. Put test in place of build. That makes it better.
Okay. Should I put space?
No, Ivan. After the Ivan.
Okay, put test in place of build.
Yeah.
Then this one.
Then change yes, 84 too.
So
you can name that front end test.
This safe cache.
Capital and
91 too.
Guys, is this
91
case sensitive?
No, it isn't. It isn't. It's just for your own sake. It's not case sensitive. Even the storage cache keys are just for the computer to pick up the cache whenever it needs it. No, it's not case sensitive.
So,
is
Oman,
the
look
code the
at
same?
your line 84. That dash between front and end. I'm not sure it's supposed to be there.
You can remove that. It should be front end test.
Line
Yeah, front
84.
end test. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, test. But you should have to remove the dash.
The dash
Between the front and
the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That one is just a name, so it actually has no-
So you can. Yeah, it's just a name.
Is everything okay here?
Then I think your comments, you can move your comments to this your job code here, number 80. You can just move it on top of run.
Then one thing first, your save cache, the keys have to be the same as the restore keys, or else it won't work.
Wait, hold on. Let me do
No, one after the other. Sorry, one after the other.
So it's actually before run, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you can do it like that. Since you want the comment, then use your arrow, then the opening bracket. Abi? Yes, opening bracket to move it to the left. I mean the comment though. Press Control and opening bracket. Yes.
Still okay like that.
You can move it one step backward. Yes, it's okay.
Okay, this is what were you saying? Hello, Yusuf.
I think it was talking about the cache.
Is it off?
Okay, this number 93, you change the build to test.
Okay.
And then let's check it over again. I think we are good.
Let me do controls.
So front end test, front end module. Okay, it's fine.
What else? You were saying something else. You said.
No, I think you fixed that. Your key and your restore, your save cache keys and your restore cache keys, they now match.
Okay.
So let's go to test backend. Huh?
Yes.
Test backend. Most people didn't encounter the devil at this point of the project. It's later part.
Are we going to have breaks? Victor.
Breaks. Do you want to serve us food? This is when you're asking for breaks.
No, let's finish the project.
Ew. So what's next now?
We are going to do the same thing for our test backend. The same thing. Only that we are changing whatever that has front end to back end.
Okay, so should I copy from run to key?
You can copy from checkout from Git all the way down to front end text. Then you change the No, first things first.
The checkout. Okay, let me do the checkout.
Start from the image. Start from the image. Let's do this way.
Okay, let's do one by one.
Yeah, start from the image. Docker image here. This is the image there. Then the steps are the same thing. Just change front end to back end. That's all.
Why not just copy everything and paste?
Yeah, copy everything all the way. Yeah, everything afterwards. Yeah.
So then
Just copy everything from
afterwards,
steps.
I'll delete.
Yeah. Everything from steps all the way down.
Okay.
From image, right? Okay.
I already copied the image. So I'll just copy it on top. I should delete this one first.
Yes, you can.
Okay. So then change everything that was.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's it.
So let's
I
take a
think
look.
you're good.
Okay,
Right?
so yeah. So as usual, your arrow keys, go back to your terminal. Then all our changes for us. Git commit. The commit test front end and back end jobs. Also, just your arrow keys, yeah. Then and maybe
fixed. Okay, that error.
yeah. We pray we never need to check our commit files. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back and check the jobs.
Master.
Dashboard.
Okay, get started.
Wow, okay. Good one.
Success.
Everything passed.
Yay.
Let's go and see what actually passed, so we know what next.
From
You should,
master.
yeah. Value seeing this green button because you will not see it most times.
No.
That's the truth. Oh, this is build, not test.
We didn't include the workflow.
Oh, damn. I didn't. We didn't include it in
Wait,
the
we
work.
missed a step. We missed a step.
Yes. We should have gone to the workflow. So go back to the workflow. The YAML file.
Fashion.
Mhm.
Wait, okay.
Your VS Code, yeah.
Go to the lower part of the something where you have your workflow.
Okay. It's still probably commented.
Yeah, to the end, rush it all the way down. Or rush it. Yeah, fine, fine, fine.
See it.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. So test front end, just take a cursor to test front end all the way down to test back end. Exactly. Come down, down. No, up. Oh, fine. So control /. Oh, undo. Control Z.
Control forward slash, control plus forward slash.
That's what I did before. Okay.
I think it's okay.
Did we pick everything?
It's okay like this. You can save. And I think you can push your code.
I can't hear. Who is speaking, please?
I think it's fine, all right.
Yeah, this is okay.
What did you say?
I said
No,
it's
it's
okay.
fine. Okay, but now you have to git add, git yeah, fine, git commit. So this is where I do a shortcut. So you can either do a proper commit message or just put one at the back of that git fix full backend and whatever. So just take your cursor to the back. It's up to you to decide.
What?
No, you don't have to go all the way down. So most times when I'm in it, you can just put one behind that or two to show
One
that
behind
you know what? Let's just say
the back end almost.
yeah.
Where
It's
you have
supposed to be part of the same thing. Behind the last word in that quotation.
Oh, okay, this one.
Yeah. Same thing. Although you could actually list it out, but enter.
What I've noticed really is that check out a different branch once. When you reach a significant back to master and do it. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. For practice purpose, really your commit will not. I'm just sharing what I've noticed is there.
Is it only from my hand? But I think Casey, your voice is breaking off. I didn't get what you said clearly.
I lost. Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
I was just saying we can, for in some particular environment, you can check out a different branch and do whatever you want in that branch. When you are done, when you get to a, you can now check out, you can now with a proper commit.
Okay, so we would have to go and check our jobs.
This running the top so that we see the jobs. So we'll move to the next one.
Which one are we going to?
Not yet. Or is there any need? Oh, so we are supposed to scroll up a little. Oh, this is test phase. Test is supposed to fail, but one way or the other, test is
Screenshot the, right?
yeah. No, not here, not here. Config the YAML file. Oh, so test front end. Maybe a command
Commands.
side. Yeah, commands.
Push
Maybe they are
commands.
incomplete. Scroll up.
Okay.
npm run test. Okay. Install run test. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down.
This backend test that was supposed to fail.
Then why is it not failing? Do we force
Maybe
it
she
to
has
fail?
corrected.
She has corrected. Well, we just downloaded this thing now. Okay, scroll down. So what do we do? Do we just move on?
No, any screenshot, right?
Let's find it. There will be. Let's go to where the instruction to correct it is, so that we'll know.
Okay, that's true. That's true. That's
Okay,
true.
maybe because you guys have done it before, you just corrected while we were going, right?
Let's see. Front end and back end. We need to go to, for front end to fail, it has to go to front end /source/app
Loading
component.
message.
Loading
Where
message.
am I
Okay.
going to?
Okay, look at the link. The link you have there, front end
This
source
one,
app. Yeah.
I should open it.
You can open it, but we would have to go to that folder, that exact folder in VS Code.
Yes.
Okay, we need to go
This
to the folder.
Yeah.
So you go inside your own your code.
But let me see the path. Sorry from
Component loading message.
is it in the config
Front
YAML
end,
file?
front
The
end,
one
front
that's
end
supposed
folder.
to.
Oh, I know why it didn't work. You're running npm instead of npm run test. Yeah, it's supposed to be
Great.
npm run test. Copy and paste syndrome.
Yes.
Okay,
Let me go.
yeah. We have
It's the first one we did, right? That we just copied.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
we ran
In
build.
both of them.
Yes.
Run
So,
build.
test.
So test.
Okay.
So
Git add,
Just
git
git add,
everything.
yes. Git add everything that we've done. So push origin.
Sorry, do you put origin on every push that you make?
Yes, I do that.
Oh, personally, I just do a git push.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that, but I wanted to make sure it sticks.
Okay.
So I don't push to the wrong branch when you have different sources where you can push to.
Okay, okay.
I've seen a lot of people do it the faster way.
So guys, if they don't bring lights, I'll have to go and put on the gen in the next.
So that was why I requested for a break,
minutes. Right? No. Not the only reason.
I was even thinking it's your dinner time, so that's why you wanted to run.
No.
I'll run away for a couple of minutes, then I'll come back later.
Like how many minutes?
Maybe once it's 5 minutes to 8, then I'll come back, say 8:15 or thereabouts.
When do you want to go?
Maybe when you go fix your power issues, then I'll just go. I need to, yeah, then I'll come back. I'm sure by the time I come back, my brother would have done a whole lot of shift.
Who are you handing over to?
I'm not in charge now.
You have to hand over to somebody now.
I was never in charge in the first place.
But you're the one helping us out now.
Yeah?
You and everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, you're the main
Don't worry.
It has failed.
I can't believe we're expecting failures.
So we're happy with failures now.
Well. We have did Casey just run away? Casey, did he just run away, or has been going on and off? Okay, I don't think I should announce people that are running.
Anybody right now.
I should not.
I think he's been going off and on.
Okay, it's been going off and on. I should not announce people's people's disappearance anymore. I should just focus on my own screen, so that when I disappear, people will not announce me.
You can't even disappear. Everybody will know.
Well, you can easily know when you leave, though.
I didn't get that.
I said we would know when you leave, though.
Yeah, exactly. Don't mind me. And I've been training myself, facing the screen too much. I need to take a break before I crash.
Well done.
Thank you. Who sent me a message?
No, we're all trying to improve ourselves.
So do you have a screenshot of the field jobs?
I've done the one for front end. I want to do back end. Hi, these people are put on their dread. They are so noisy. Hello?
Why don't you take the screenshot so that you show the particular test that failed?
I can't hear you. Can you speak up?
Your screenshot isn't showing the particular test that failed. So you should
wait, that's what I'm just asking.
Yeah.
Wait, from when
it's fine, it's fine. Just make sure that the top is showing. Probably this backend test and a little.
Okay,
so capture your whole screen. Even the whole screen will be nice. I have this game bar on Windows. I used to just control Windows and key G brings the game back, and I take my screen.
Instead of using
it's a lazy man.
pencil.
Yeah, a lazy, a crude man's way. Yeah.
It's probably better.
So front end test, just say screenshots and try to fix the cause of failure once you go through the screenshot.
So how do we even fix that one?
The instructions. Okay, we'll go back to the instructions in the classrooms.
So here.
Yeah. So just scroll down.
Down.
Yeah. So we have recommended. Let me try to close. We have provided the following intentional case. See the codes, the comments are guides to fix. I think there are comments there. There are comments at those points in the code. So we are going to front end. No, you don't have to click on that. We are going to front end, source, app, components, loading message. Let me see how I can save that. Oh, I can't do that there. I was trying to see if I can just take a picture of that so I can guide you. Front end, source, app. Go to source front end folder. Scroll down. Down. Yeah, front end. No, yeah, exactly. Click on that source, app, components, right?
The components.
Now I'm lost. So go back and check. Loading message. Okay, someone said it's loading messages. Okay. Yeah.
So.
Not all. So loading messages, loading message.spec.txt, right? Yeah. Loading message.spec.css. That's it. So you have to
is very low.
probably far from it.
Manage the voice, oh, please.
Okay.
Are you keeping the voice for tomorrow or something?
No. Just manage.
So wait, what am I changing here?
You have a video tomorrow.
Remove the question mark.
Okay, I'll send the question mark.
Okay, so remove the question to make the test pass. So we are going to front on back end. So I think back end. We have to go and check the exact location of the file to know what to change.
Okay.
Domain, employee, then
Commands, handlers, then employee activator handler spec.ts. Yep.
That's yes, the first one.
Yeah.
first one, yes. Then you are changing 101, number 22. Line 22 rather. 101 to 100.
200.
100 is the magic number. So
okay.
Okay. So we should go back to terminal and do everything.
Yeah, you can close the two files that you opened.
What's up with you and closing things?
Load message.
You don't.
You go just
I'm still using it. Let's close it now.
Have you saved it though?
I saved it, yes.
Okay.
Save please save before closing them.
I've saved.
So always keep clean tabs. Okay.
So you don't control spoil.
It has frozen again.
Again, oh yeah. Let's try Control C. If it doesn't work, open new terminal. Sharp. But Control C first. Yeah. This thing is working. Okay. What task is this thing running underground? Okay, git add or then Okay. So here now, put
Hmm?
does it really matter? They say it doesn't matter. Well, it's from things that don't matter that you know what that you get used to
You
something.
know exactly.
No, don't do
because-
that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do
Well,
that. Don't do that. Test from backend, fixed test, fixed front end and back end tests. That's all.
I beg, just
Wait.
press enter. Go, I beg.
what do you say?
Just press enter and go. Okay, someone said press enter and go. It's not me. We are press enter.
Let's do it.
No, you don't have to be meticulous about it. Just press enter and go.
I beg, press
Yeah.
enter and go.
All right.
It's not as if they are grading.
Yeah, you today are you in art and decoration or what?
What?
Decorating. I mean.
The decorating Abby. It's not my fault. But I hope it's not coming from the same person that wants to close all tabs.
I'm the one. I'm here.
You see? Maybe all
I
our
didn't say
bots
you
are
can
used
close all tabs. Close the one you are done with. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay. It's good, China.
Want me to close on mine? So we're expecting success. Yeah. Just to be on the safe side, guys, let me just go and put on Jen.
Are you in Nigeria?
Yes, now.
Because I know it's Nigeria that you don't have light.
Oh, that's touching. Is there any person who's not in Nigeria here?
Wait, who is talking? Who's talking?
Me,
So
I'm
we
in
don't have
Lagos
light.
and it's outside Nigeria.
Yeah, outside Nigeria. Because
Yeah.
I don't know who is talking. Your phone is showing Galaxy Tab A.
Please
Thank
change it
you.
so we can know who we are addressing.
It doesn't even want us
Anonymous.
to know.
I'm anonymous for now. Just continue.
All right, let me go and put on the Jen. So give me
I think
like 5
we can resume back by 8.
And yeah, maybe we should all take a break
Okay.
then.
All
Should we
right.
beg the host to give us break, or we should just snatch the break?
Victor,
So
what do you say?
let's do, because I think Yusuf will pray, right? So I think
All right.
let's do 8:15, or should we do 8:30? Anybody that needs to get dinner or anything.
Okay.
Okay, so we come back 8:15.
No, 8:30. 8:30.
8:30. All right. Okay.
But just for the record, all our tests have passed.
Okay.
So if you are using failure, you can go and start thinking about the next ones that will fail.
And again, when you guys are coming back, please bring small chops,